An appraisal is an official document provided by a qualified person that describes your item of jewelry and assigns an appropriate and current market value to it. Most of the time, people search for appraisals to get insurance, either to get insurance or to update a current policy. These are also pieces of value, so it's very important for you to know what their worth is, and I would recommend getting an appraisal every few years. The best place to get a jewelry appraisal is at your local jewelry store or to find an independent appraiser near you. There are a few good online options though. Appraisals are not the same, and depending on what you need the appraisal for, you'll want to make sure you're finding the appropriate person to do it. There's an insurance replacement appraisal and a fair market value appraisal. Those are going to be your two most common. The insurance replacement is a specific calculation used by insurance companies to help you replace or repair your piece in the event of a claim either today or down the road. The fair market appraisal is going to list the price that this item would be worth in today's market. If you're looking for an online jewelry appraisal, there are a few really good options. The first I would recommend would be BriteCo. If you're looking for one from the comfort of your home, BriteCo makes it super easy and affordable. There are also companies that offer send out, so you'll package your jewelry up safely, insured, and ship it out to them to inspect in person and provide an appraisal that way. There are also companies you can find similar to Value Myself and others that can give you a quick online appraisal as well. I have found that those other companies don't always get approved by insurance companies, so just make sure that when you're researching which insurance company you would prefer to get coverage with, you make sure that that appraisal would be taken by them. Online appraisals are best for updating documentation. What do I mean by this? Oftentimes, your items of jewelry already have perfect documentation attached to them. If you just need someone to update that documentation and bring those values to the current market, an online appraisal is perfect. However, if you are looking for someone to identify your gemstone, grade your diamond, or test if your metal is pure or not, that requires an in-person evaluation and an in-person appraiser.